Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 Aero bicycle frames. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As the item number 3, we've selected Aero carbon frame. Specifications. Brand name, Aero. Weight, 2,193 grams, size M. Available size, S/M/L/XL. Finish, matte/glossy. Headsets, 1/1/8 to 1/2. Head tube, 1/1/8, 1/2. Rear shock, 190/40 mm or 210x50 to 55 mm. Thru axle, 148/12 mm boost. Max tire size, 29 or 3.0 inch. Warranty, 2 years. Item number 2 is new carbon frame 700C road bicycle frame set. Specifications. Brand name, Aero. Material, carbon. Weight, 1,242 grams ±30 grams, size S. Bottom bracket, BB86. Headsets, up 1/1/8 down 1/2. Fork through axle, 112 mm. Frame through axle, 142/12 mm. Frame size, 49/52/54/56 cm. Max tire size, 700x32 c. Warranty, 2 years. On the top of our list at number 1 we have T1100 full carbon gravel bike frame. Specifications. Brand name, Aero. Foldable, no. Material, carbon. Weight, 1,223 grams 54 centimeters. Carbon weave, UD black. Warranty, 2 years. Disc rotor size, 140/160ths of a millimeter. Fork through axle, 112 mm. Frame through axle, 142/12 mm. Frame size, 49/52/54/56 of a centimeter. Handlebar width, 400/424/140ths of a millimeter. Max tire size, 700x40 c. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.